today we'll be unboxing this Allure beauty box for December 2020. So let's begin. Okay. So every month they send out this brochure that tells you what's inside. So let's begin. It looks like the first item is this Buy Me and Beauty Blend. What is this? This is black liquid eyeliner. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's definitely black. We'll check to see at the end of the video if it smudges or not. This retails for $22. There's a coupon code there if you guys would like to use it. Okay. The next product is this La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum. And the full-size version retails for $39. There's another coupon there. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay. Looks like they sent out a sample. This was not in the box. Deep Hydration by Cetaphil Daily Cream for dry, dehydrated skin. That's nice. Okay. The next item is this Mud Masky Leave-On Winter Mask. It retails for $45.85. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's right here. The next product is this Caudaline Vinsource Serum. It's a quenching thirst serum. It retails for $49. Well, these are skincare products. That's why I'm not opening them and trying them on, because they start expiring in 6 months the time you open them. Let's see what this is. Beauty Note. Interesting. I feel like this is an extra item. Is this extra? It says, thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Oh, looks like it's an extra perk that they sent me. It's this eye cream by Time Response. This is what it looks like. Interesting. Okay. Cute. And the last item in my box is the Ciate London Trendy Edit Palette, which retails for $24. So let's see what that looks like. Okay. So it does come with a mirror. These are what the shades look like. They're so shimmery. Okay, I'm gonna try all the shimmers. Okay, wow. If you like shimmers, you're definitely gonna like this palette. And then there's 4 transitional shades and crease shades that you can use as well. So that's what it looks like. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.